Most crypto traders lose money, not because they're dumb, but because they can't see what's actually happening in the market. I'm talking about liquidations stacking up, massive buy and sell walls, and whales moving millions of dollars before a big move. Now imagine this. What if you could see all of that before the market explodes? There's a platform that gives you exactly that. You get TradingView charts, real-time long and short signals, plus scalp and swing trade setups. But it gets even crazier. You can track live liquidations, watch the order books in real time, see whale activity, and even detect insider moves. And instead of using 10 different tools, everything is inside one powerful dashboard. Charts, signals, portfolio tracking, market intelligence. So the next time Bitcoin makes a huge move, you won't be chasing it. You'll already know it's coming. If you want access to this secret website, contact me on Telegram right now, or just scan the QR code on your screen. But don't wait too long. I'm not sharing this with everyone.